Welcome back, guys, and today I'm here with my mate's Volvo 480 Turbo. It's on a G plate, and what I want to know is, would you scrap it or would you restore it? Let's take a look around. And don't forget, if you like this sort of thing, playing with old cars, doing some mods and some restorations, then please do hit that subscribe button. Let's take a look at this car. Look at this amazing 2+2 interior. Now I probably need an injection to be in here at the moment, but what a layout. It's an absolutely lovely car from in here. A good clean. I think the interior would actually come up all right. A lot of rust on the floor here where water's been coming in because this seal is broke. I dread to think what the floor is like under there. We can't get under there to take a look, and one of the things we can't do either today is try to start this car. It's been standing a long while. The engine bay is absolutely full of all the fibres that have come off the bonnet seal. There's plants all grown in there, so it'd take a fair bit of work before I'd want to try starting this one up. It is nice in here though. I've got to be honest, I've always loved these cars. I remember seeing them driving around on the roads when I was a kid, and just the shape and the pop-up headlights, and you didn't see too many of them around. And I think I'd go with the restore, but there's a lot of work to do. Let's carry on taking a look. The engine in the 480 shares a lot of components with the Renault 5 GT, and a lot of people take these engines out to use them as rebuild projects for the Renault 5. Now, currently, as it stands on how many left, there's only around 34 of these turbos left on the roads in the UK. So the question is, you've seen around it, you've seen all the state of the rust and the bodies, a fair bit of welding to do, but she's a rare old bird. Will you scrap her and use her for a rebuild on a Renault 5, or will you restore her? Let me know in the comments. Cheers guys, and thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and I'll see you all soon.